Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. This is from last year 2023. Finally I'm uploading this video. It's already 2024. It's March already. Doing my skincare. It's my off day.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Welcome to another off day in my life. So today is 29th of December and today is my off. Although I'm not going out anywhere, but I'm excited about today because I have to do a lot of things. It's been really long that I've not drank my favorite iced coffee. Also, I'm gonna read this book today. This is Holding Up the Universe. I got this book from my flight yesterday. Actually, I was about to operate that flight when I'd gone there inside. That aircraft had already come from somewhere, and the cleaners were cleaning it, and in front of my eyes it was about to get trashed, and I was like, please don't throw it. So I got this book that way. I read what it's written behind and it seems interesting, so I'm excited. Also, it's almost the end of 2023. I'm excited about next year. I hope it just brings positivity. I'm gonna pamper myself before the end of this year. I'm gonna cut my hair short. Also, I'm gonna get my nails done, so I'm excited. I'm not gonna do here in Bangalore. I have Delhi layovers. I'm gonna go and do it there. Yeah, that's about the intro. I'm really happy and excited.
I just came back from the grocery store and I realized that I'm wearing all green today. Green, green, and green. My favorite chips of all time.
This is literally the easiest way to make dal. Also, I remember something. Recently, I flew with one crew member. She told me that she doesn't know how to cook anything because she's just 19 years old. She doesn't even know how to make dal. So I wrote, ingredients list and how to make dal so that she could make.
My lunch is ready.
After I had my lunch, I was feeling so sleepy. I literally had to force myself not to go to sleep because I have to read this book right here. So to wake myself up, I think I need coffee. So I'm gonna drink in this new jar which I got from Amazon. The previous one which I had broke. This is the jar which I have. This time I got the jar with a lid. The previous one which I had did not have lid. I think it was last week that I was going for a flight, but I was going as a passenger. That time I drank coffee, iced coffee at the airport, and it was so bad. It was pathetic. I make better iced coffee than that. I'm gonna start reading the book now. I have read a little bit of the book. I have read these pages so far, these many pages. Actually, it's a story between a boy and a girl. The boy is telling his part of life as to how his life is. Even the girl is narrating her story, her life. So it's, for example, this is the boy's version and next comes the girl. Same thing happens. After the girl, again the boy narrates his story. So yeah, they've not met so far. Let's see how the story unfolds. I'm so sleepy right now. I need to sleep.
It's coffee time now. Also, I'm a little unwell. I went home. I felt a little sick there, and I guess it was because of weather change. Anyways, I'm making with this sachet. It's a premix of coffee and sugar which I got from Jeddah. This is also really good.
I'm going to do the same thing today. Coffee and book. It's so refreshing. I've reached till here. I've read these many pages.
ओपन ಮಾಡಿ अच्छा बात कर रहे हैं मैडम
I really wanted to have pani puri, so I insisted my flatmate, and we both ended up making and having. It was so good. After having pani puri for dinner, I started packing my bag because I was going for Delhi layover. It was for 3 days, so I was supposed to come home after 3 days. So I started my packing, and in Delhi I wanted to go out, so I made sure that I carried everything. And lastly, this chocolate, it was so good. I'm editing it right now and I really want to have it. Yeah, anyways, there's always so much of food in my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.